Got a real problem here. Time for another beer. Welcome back to another installment of Adventure Bound. So we've already been out here for a few hours and it's been really slow going. And it's been one hell of an emotional roller coaster to start the day off with. But thankfully we've got there in the end and we've got a couple of really good fish in the esky. We've only got a couple of hours left and then we're going to pull the pin, but it's already been a pretty bloody good day. So thanks for tuning in and I hope you like it. Take the pressure on.
I lost him.
No, you haven't. Still be there. Yeah, he's a better size stripey. Go on, bring him in.
Oh, sorry.
There we go, better size stripey. Anyway, see you, dude. Bye. It's tiny. Little baby. Oh, it's a tusky. Little baby tusky. That's awesome. Unreal. These are such a pretty fish. Get away to the eye. If only he was about 20 centimeters bigger, because these are unreal eating. Anyway, see you later, little dude.
Oh my god.
The missus looks like she's onto a good one here. The fish of the day. Come on, pull him up. Oh, might be, it is a shark.
Fuck's sake.
You can see him down the bottom.
Yeah, not nice.
He's only a little one. Yeah. So a little tip when you're handling a shark, hold them behind the head, kind of around the shoulder area, because if you grab him on the tail, he'll be able to flick his head back around and bite you. Anyway, this guy's going back. See you, dude. Gone. I've upgraded to 30 pound because I'm sick of losing tuna and $20 lures. Let's really hope this fish stays connected. Can you prep the net, please, babe?
Yep. Where is it?
Right in front of you. Just turn the outboard off. Going really light on this tuna because I've already dropped 3 this morning. And I just dropped him. He's gone.
Fuck.
You're joking. You're really joking. On. Righto, 5th tuna.
Turn the boat off.
Can see him down deep. He's right under us. I'm not backing off on this guy. I'm going to play him hard. Just hope he's a longie, because he'll be coming home. Well deserved. Do you see him, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice fish, eh?
Want me to turn the boat off?
No, it doesn't matter at this stage. Oh, he's... Are you ready on the net?
Yeah. Where do I go?
I don't know yet. He's still going to move around a lot.
Yeah. You can see the colour on him.
Yeah, he looks like a longie.
Beautiful reflection.
Yeah, unreal day. He's coming around the back. There he is. Nice longie. Are you ready on the net, babe?
Yeah.
Wait. He'll come up. He'll do another circle and then get him when he comes to the left. Ready? No. Yeah! Finally! We landed one.
Holy shit!
And he's a longie. Thank God.
Oh my God.
Oh, that was a mission and a half.
Like, I think I could cry right now.
So we finally managed a tuna. It's taken a few hours and a couple of lures. 10-pound string just wasn't cutting it on these little football-sized longies. But I'll tell you what, this fella is going to taste great. He's definitely coming home. And we are so pumped we finally landed one because it was getting really frustrating. So, epic fish. Gotta love them. Cheers. Just when he's running like that, stop whining.
Oh, so that's him.
Yep. I think you got a better fish here, babe.
Go.
Wait for him, wait. One. Yep. Not heaps quick, just enough to keep the tension on. Okay? One. Just enough to keep the tension on the whole time, okay?
Yep.
So keep winding a little bit when he's not running, and then when he's running, just stop. Wind. You don't want him to have any slack line. So keep winding a little bit. Just a little bit. And then when he runs, that's when you stop winding. But when he's not running, you just keep winding like you are, alright?
Yeah.
Go on, wind. There he is out the back, see him? There, buddy, keep winding. Just watch your line on that corner, okay?
Yeah.
So one thing that will help you,
Yeah.
stop, you go, let go for a sec. You'll lift him up, see how I'm doing it, lift him
Yeah.
up and then you wind down.
Okay.
Lift him up and then wind down. Okay, you've got a better tuna than I had on.
Up. Then wind.
Yep. Now on the way down, make sure you're winding. As soon as you start to even think about going down, make sure you're winding. Yeah, hang on. You're almost home. You're almost home. Just relax.
I have to fall over.
Yep. This might have been while I was getting blitzed on 10 pound because that looks like a 6 to 8 kilo football right there.
Oh, I'm about to drop it.
All right.
My legs are shaking.
Got a really nice tuna there. There we right. This is why I was getting smoked on 10 pound. This is 30 and we can't even manhandle him at all.
Just brute force.
Yeah. They're just balls of muscle.
Yeah.
Any other fish would have given up
My
like
legs are shaking.
ages ago. Net ready?
Yeah.
Oh, you've caught the net. Oh. Okay, we need to flick that bail arm and dropping. That's a way bigger tuna. Holy donkey. This one's got a couple of kilos on the little one we just landed. Tried to get the missus her first tuna by herself. It didn't quite work out. No hard feelings, because even I was struggling to get this big fella up on 30 pound. And look, no wonder we were getting cleaned up on the 10 pound braid, because this thing is a bloody machine. Get a load of the girth on him. Built like a weapon. Anyway, we're going to give the tuna a miss now and hopefully get a couple of goldies in the boat. We'll see how we go. Unreal though. Epic fish. Ew. We've just rocked up to this. Fingers crossed we can hook up. Babe, this is a good fish. Please don't be a shark. Ah, it's not much better. Nah, it's a big cod. Well, there we go. A bloody donkey cod. That'd actually be my PB right there, because I hardly ever catch these guys. I'm sure plenty of people would probably keep this fella because they are actually quite nice eating, but I've already got a couple of tuna, so I'd rather let this fella go home. See you, buddy. So we had a pretty good day. The weather definitely played the game for most of the time. For whatever reason, the marks just weren't really producing how they normally did out there. So thank God these little footballs showed up and we were able to get a couple in the esky. Otherwise it would have been a long, slow, hard day. Anyway, this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.